Welcome to the Nucleus Advanced Features tutorial. This video will explore additional features on the Display Creator and the HMI Station software that we've not yet introduced. In this video, we will explore the Display Creator zoom features, the search and replace functions, and demonstrate the ability to simulate digital values within the Display Creator. We will also demonstrate the use of pop-up windows in the HMI Station, the HMI playback to screen functions, previous and next screen functions, and the annotations features that is automatically available with the HMI Station software. Let's open the Display Creator as we begin the tutorial. Let's open the build screen that we created in a previous video. As you can see, we've added a lot to this screen since we last presented it. We will use this screen to show how to use the zoom features, how to search for indication assignments within your icons, and ultimately we will show you how to simulate your graphics without the need to run the HMI Station and simulator simultaneously. Watch carefully as we demonstrate how to use the zoom features. There are several methods you can use to search for indications assigned to your icons in a specific screen. You can filter the searches to specific areas, show search results in lists, or highlight the icons that contain those search results on the screen. Before you attempt to use the replace features, always back up your project first. Watch closely as we demonstrate the various methods you can use to find the indication named T1_level. That is an analog value assigned to the icons within this build screen. Now we will demonstrate the use of pop-up menus on your HMI Station screens. Let's locate the furnace icon shown on the left side of the screen and double-click on it to show the icon properties. Here we can see that we have assigned screen navigation to this icon, and when clicked it will open a screen called Furnace. So let's open this screen in Display Creator to see what it looks like. Here we see a screen with a furnace icon and two control buttons. Let's click on the shortcut button to show the screen properties for this screen. We have it defined as a pop-up screen that will display when the furnace is selected on the build screen. We have also limited the screen to a width of 400 pixels and a height of 300 pixels. We've also placed expressions on the buttons to change their color based on selection. We will show this behavior when we launch the HMI Station application later in this tutorial. For now, let's close the furnace screen and the Properties menu. Watch closely as we demonstrate the screen test functions. The remaining features we'd like to discuss require the HMI Station to be running. But since this is a networked system, we will also launch the logic server and the communication server. We will be communicating directly with several different PLC types for this demonstration. Now that everything is running, we will send some commands and monitor the display states that are returned by the PLCs. We will run this brief demonstration. Watch for a few moments as we exercise the system and then run the playback to screen feature. This playback function will replay the indication states in the order that they occurred. As you can see, the playback to screen feature is a powerful tool for visualizing the control process over specific fragments of time. This allows you to better see how all of the control system components were interacting with each other. The final demonstration on this tutorial will be to describe the process of controlling annotations. A simpler description would be a sticky note. An annotation is a note that operators can place on the HMI screens to share information with operators at other computer workstations. We will demonstrate how to add, modify, and remove these sticky notes. If you don't want operators to use this tool, you can disable it in the Project Options window in the Project Data section. However, we do recommend you enable this feature because it is a very nice operational tool to allow operators to readily share information over the period of many shifts. Our example will share a note with other operators indicating that the Remington pump is temporarily out of service. As you could see with the sticky note, a nice trick is to place the note over a control button to prevent anyone from using the button. In this way, it also acts as a prohibit feature. In any case, it can add value when using it effectively. This concludes our tutorial on the advanced features of the Nucleus command control systems. Be sure to consult the Help Center for more detailed information on these functions.